Today's video is part of Nate's Art Lab Collab. The August challenge is all about cells, and we have a special guest. Her name is Gina DeLuca, and she makes these awesome cards that I'm showing you right now. As you can see, I've had them for a while. The box is quite worn, and I do look at them quite often, to be honest with you. They have really great color combinations in them, but they also have so many techniques in them. And she was pretty smart about it and listed the name of the video with the number, so you can go find it on her YouTube page so that you can do the same technique. It's really awesome that she did these cards a while ago. I'm showing you one of my favorite cards right now. It is the color combination of the teal, blue, gold, and white. However, that will not be the combination that I'm doing right now. I'm going to be telling you about what color paints I'm using in a second. Unfortunately, I had to do this voiceover because I lost the sound on my iPad that I used to record with. So this is what I've got to do. I decided to choose teal. It's actually turquoise green by Amsterdam. I'm using silver by Amsterdam, and I'm using the permanent blue violet by Amsterdam. My white titanium is mixed with Artist Loft soft body white for my base. I'm showing you the colors that I picked right there, the purple, teal, gold, and white. However, I chose to use the silver instead of white for this particular painting, but I'm just talking about the cards like crazy because I really like them, as you can tell. Not just because Gina is our guest. So I will be doing a spiral pour, and then I will be swiping with the Australian Floetrol and titanium white mixture over the spiral. Gina does them, and she does a really great job, and I've been playing around with a couple of the spirals, but I'm really interested in getting the cells over the spiral. Here I am showing you the Australian Floetrol and the titanium white Amsterdam. It is a 1 to 2 part ratio. The rest of my paints are mixed with American Floetrol of a 1 to 2 part ratio with a little bit of water to thin them out. And I'm also using the 24 karat gold by DecoArt. I didn't say that at the beginning. So wish me luck. It's going to be a fun mess.
till the night is over. I'll show you paradise, but hang on just a little longer. I will be yours, you will be mine. Let it unfold, your letters intertwine. So don't close your eyes just yet. Just yet. Show you don't close your eyes. It's not even the midnight hour. Hold on and hold tight. Stay awake with all your power. I will be yours, you will be mine. Let it unfold, your letters intertwine. So don't close your eyes just yet. Give into the dark and I'll give my heart. Give into the dark and I'll give my heart. Give into the dark and I'll give my heart. Yeah, I'll give my heart. Give into the dark and I'll give my heart. Give into the dark and I'll give my heart. Don't close your eyes. It's not even the midnight hour. Hold on and hold tight. Stay awake with all your power. Give into the dark and I'll give my heart. Give into the dark and I'll give my heart. Give into the dark and I'll give my heart. Yeah, I'll give my heart.
I was really tempted to keep messing with this, but I honestly saw all the cells coming through and said, no, I better stop. So you guys will see the dried results in a few seconds, but I had to wait a little while, and it really, I wish I had recorded all of the cells popping through the next hour because it was really, really cool. All right, here comes the dried results. It's dry. I only did one layer of Grumbacher on it. I'm really hoping that my audio comes out right now, so I don't have to do another voiceover. I am in love with all of the cells. I love that they pop through. Now, at first I wasn't that crazy about this line right here, but I decided not to worry about it. I could always take some blue paint And I could always just, you know, lighten that up a little bit if I wanted to with a brush. We all know how much I love using paintbrushes. I really love the way this came out. The purple is here. We've got the teal here. It just came out great. I'm super excited with the end results of this one. So I'm really happy that I got to participate in this month's challenge. If you guys all liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please go to the next person in line for this wonderful collaboration that we did this month. I appreciate you all. Thank you very much for watching.